I am Snehal Bhosa from RC Patel Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Shirpur. As a part of International FDP on Environment and Sustainability, I am going to talk on laboratory solvents and environmental sustainability. In last week, I have posted a video on pharmacy, environment and sustainability. In that video, I have stated some strategies for environment sustainability in pharmacy. Today, the topic is solvent in laboratories as a air pollutant and maintain the environment sustainability. The process such as concentration and evaporation generate a tons of solvent vapors annually that release into the atmosphere. In analytical chemistry laboratories, the growing concern about use and emission of volatile organic compounds and hazardous air pollutants show the environment impact of solvents. Improper vented solvents, that means where the ventilation is improper. Improper vented solvent vapors can cause the eyes, nose, and throat irritation, headache, and loss of coordination and damage to the liver, kidney, and central nervous system. The air pollutants and chemical with known adverse effect like benzene, lead, and other heavy metal and carbon monoxide and their metabolites can cause the adverse health effect by interacting with the molecule crucial to biochemical and physiological process of human body. Laboratories are special microenvironment in the school building in which specific pollutants concentration may be high depending on the nature of experiment conducted and the number of people working. The laboratory workers like technicians, specialists, teaching staff, non-teaching staff or research assistants during their working life and students during their university life are exposed to pollutant which may result in chronic and active toxic health effects. So it is essential to reduce the solvent emission and maintain the environment sustainability. There are several ways to lessen the harmful solvent emission. Some methods have been developed to reduce the amount of harmful substances used throughout the course of reaction, either by performing the reaction under the milder condition, for example in water, or without any liquid solvent at all. This idea is to eliminate emission by completely eliminating the source of the pollution. Once the new method have been developed, solvent-free reaction tend to have high yield, require little purification after synthesis, generate the less water. This means less money spent on the chemical and waste disposal sample handling. Another way to address the laboratory solvent emission is to reduce the sample starting volumes. These often require change in instrumentation to lesser the degree or change in method. However, the new reaction do not need to be developed. The third option for reducing the emission is to treat the solvent vapor with the method such as adsorption, thermal destruction or condensation before the vapor can release into the atmosphere. This is the easiest change in implement, requiring only equipment to capture and handle the vapor downstream of evaporation. Up until the evaporation step, the reaction will be same, but the remaining procedure which eliminate the need to validate the new method. The adsorption work by passing the vapor laden gas across the adsorbent, for the example activated carbon and zeolite. Thank you. So according to some guidelines given by the different regulatory agencies, some changes should be done in the infrastructure or proper ventilation or HEPA filters should be provided to reduce the solvent effect on the air pollution, and the environment sustainability can be maintained. Thank you.